Example 1. Write the sample space of the spinner and is each outcome equally likely? Firstly, we can say that each outcome is equally likely since each section has the exact same size. The sample space is all the possible outcomes, and in this spinner is blue, green, yellow, pink, and orange. In example B, find the probability that the spinner lands on orange. Using the formula we discovered in part 2, to calculate the probability of simple events, we start by setting up our fraction. For the denominator, it is the total size of the sample space, which there are 5 possible outcomes. Now for the numerator, the outcome we are interested in, orange, which is 1, telling us that the probability of spinning on orange is 1/5. In example C, find the probability that the spinner lands on pink or blue. We start by setting up our fraction. For the denominator, it still remains 5 possible outcomes. Now for the numerator, we now have 2 favourable outcomes, pink or blue. Therefore, the probability that the spinner lands on pink or blue is 2/5. Example 2. A die is rolled. Find the probability that the number rolled is an even number. To eliminate mistakes, it is helpful to start by writing down the sample space of your particular event. In this case, a die being rolled has the following sample space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So to find the probability of rolling an even number, we set up our fraction. The denominator is the total possible outcomes, which is 6, the size of the sample space. Now for the numerator, this is the outcomes we're interested in, which in this case is 2, 4, 6, totaling 3 different outcomes, giving us the probability of 3 out of 6, and we can simplify the fraction to 1/2. If you forgot how to simplify fractions, I have a link to my video in the description. In example B, find the probability that the number rolled is divisible by 3 as a percentage. Remember, divisible means can 3 divide into the numbers without any remainders? We set up our fraction, and for the denominator, the total possible outcomes, which is 6. Next, for the numerator, which is the outcomes that are divisible by 3, which are 3 and 6, totaling 2 different outcomes. Now this gives our answer as a fraction. We need to write our answer as a percentage. To convert a fraction to a percentage, simply multiply the fraction by 100, giving us an answer of 33.3%. The next lesson is complementary events. To find out why we learn this, click here and I'll see you in the next one.